Good evening, everyone. With Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro later on, I'm Mike Emrick. Glad you've joined us for an exciting evening ahead. Tonight, we bring you a matchup between two great teams. And as we approach game time, here's Eddie.
Well, we have two teams that are intense, Doc, and they don't like each other very much, so stay tuned. I expect some fireworks here tonight.
The teams are ready, and so are we. Cut it a little close, didn't you? But you're here, and so are we. Eddie Olczyk, Ray Ferraro, and me, Mike Emrick. Game just started. Simple play, made well, strong defense. Gets in, what'll he do? Puck is picked up by Carlson. Between the blue lines. Shot just missed the net.
He was trying to be a little bit too fine there. That's why he missed the net.
Hammers it right in that catching glove. Good work. We go down to the benches. Near the ice, it's Ray Ferraro.
Well, it goes a long way if you can get the first goal or two. You can stretch the other team out, make them make a couple of mistakes defensively, so now they have to take chances to get back in the game.
Many thanks, Ray. Good job with the stick. And possession snapped up by Larson. Right on his stick from the left wing. Good quick stick. At the front of the net. Great stick work prevents the pass from being complete. Skating up the center zone wing. Nicely into the zone. Carries it to the corner. Shoots off the goal post. Puck loose, now picked up. Back on his stick. Flings it. Moving well with it in the defensive zone. Shoots one. Grabbed.
That was all positioning, right into his glove.
Well, let's hope that the game picks up in pace and energy a little bit here, boys, or we're going to lose you guys. You got a pillow upstairs that you can lie down on.
Marvelous save. No time on that one.
The goalie makes himself look big.
Been a long time since this wasn't the garden variety stop for a goalie. Down in the butterfly, turned aside.
Quick work on the faceoff. Hammered. Ooh, what a break. Shot hit the man. Laid on. Wonderful save. Good strong skating to outrace the opposition for the icing cancel. They score!
Goaltender had no chance stopping that puck with the quick release.
The goalie's in perfect position here, just not perfect enough. This is a really accurate shot.
Roy's come up strong here for his team, ending a scoreless game.
There was a feeling out process until that first goal of the game.
Lynn Choping's got that one. Now what? Pinpoint pass up that right wing. Trying to get something generated up the wing. Oh, deflected away. Still has control through center ice. Shoots. Great save, point blank.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Lets it go. Taken over now by Carlson. Seeks the corner. Fires wide of the net. To the point it comes. on the pickup. Took a quick look, saw enough that he wants to retreat. Big drive, save! Lin Ping's finding its way to center ice. That pass is cut. Lin Ping's got it along the side. And that's an offside.
This is frustrating. The goaltender makes a save by getting just a chunk of the shot.
Just under 3 minutes still to be skated. It's a 1-0 game. And that's a face-off win. Gets in and he'll look over his options. Goes back deep for it. Lin Ping's in control as they travel up the wing. Nearing the final minute of play. Goalie out of the net, puck on his stick.
In the first period.
He gets that pass ahead in stride. Attack zone possession here. A shot. Brings a shot. Big point blank save there.
A missed opportunity from this close in.
20 minutes have now been played. It's a 1-0 game.
Hey fans, don't forget to pick up your team calendars. They're available in section 144 at the team kiosk.
Roy's goal has put his team ahead, for at least now. Will it stand up? We go to break. Our game is in the middle period, and it's underway right now. He knifed it away. Got it in his own end. Terrific pass through the middle. He's got it on his stick. Mishandled thanks to the roadblock. Lin Ping's lugging it along in their own end. Could this be icing? And it will be, based on the defense arriving first. Good clean win on the draw. Wrist one. Save! Lin Ping's in control of the puck in their own end and readying an attack. Flings it. Terrific glove save, but it's loose. And play is stopped for a penalty.
This is a tough call. He was trying to play the puck, but he tripped up the attacking player.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number one. Good clean win.
2 minutes for tripping. Time of the penalty, 3 minutes, 26 seconds.
Gotta clear it here. And that will help to at least clear the puck away. Snapped up the wing to Roy. Into the end of attack. Great opportunity, but the pass didn't connect. And it's cleared out of there. That one comes back. Goalie's allowed to handle this puck, and he does. Score! And this one is tied.
Penalty-killing team actually looked like they were trying to score on this last shift, taking some chances, and they're rewarded with a big-time play.
And so the goaltender's in a bad position here because of the turnover, but it's not just him. Everybody's heading out of the zone, the puck's turned over, and everybody's scrambling back.
We're just under 5 minutes have transpired here in the second. We are at 1 goal apiece.
Number 9, Morgan Madsen.
Into the attacking end.
52 seconds.
Got that pass near the blue line and now looks ahead. Lin Xiaoping's power play did not do it for them.
Well, they certainly weren't going to score, guys, with the way that they set that power play up. Too stationary. They didn't shoot the puck. They didn't have any traffic.
Corralled it again. Whoa, what a play!
I'd like to say that I think this game is going to open up and there's going to be all kinds of chances all over the place, but both teams have really adopted a never-give-an-inch style of play. I think this is tight checking right down to the final horn.
Didn't miss by much. Lin Xiaoping's carrying on up the wing. In front! That shot hit a man. Pressing on with it up the wing. Lets it go. Robbery there. Lin Xiaoping's continuing to probe up the wing. Fires. Got his glove on it. Decides he wants the corner. Puck loose. Good defensive positioning there. And it's a good pickup. Lin Xiaoping's in control of the puck in neutral ice. Backhander to the net. Oh, and he misses.
Oh, that puck slowed up and just missed the side of the net.
Knifing his way near the boards. Gains the blue line. Lets it go. Terrific glove save. Good pass up that left wing, and he's got it. Picks it up back there. Takes that pass up the boards and stays. The stick can break up a play, and it just did. A wonderful shot answered quickly.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
Drill. Save. Lin Xiaoping's got it in the defensive zone. That one's right on his stick from the right side. He gains the zone. A shot. Got that. Tremendous scoring chance. Taken over again. Carries it up the side. And he steps across the line. Hammers one. Great block shot. Lin Xiaoping's in their own end, continuing on. Lets it go. Shooter tempted to stare at the ceiling on that one. What a glove grab.
Larson's in good position. He stays on his feet to block the shot. Keeps really good body position.
Nice face-off work. Right on his stick. Can he get it out? One-timer. That's 2 periods in the books. 1 more to go, but a rest comes first.
It's time for our hamburger bonanza. If the home team scores in the next 2 minutes, you can get a free hamburger courtesy of our arena.
This game is tied, and because of this goal, it is tied. Intermission is coming up. Third period has begun. The next one could be the winning one. And they are in. Right to the point. Has that point pass as well. Goalie to the bench on the delayed call. Extra man is out. Looks for room. And so now a penalty will be handed out. Lin Xiaoping sent to the box for 2 minutes. It's tripping.
He's got great stick positioning. Stick is on the ice, but unfortunately takes the skates out from under him.
And so begins power play number 1. Let's see if it's power play goal number 1. Solid, clean win. Passing one off now to Billings. Gains the zone. Oh, the pass just didn't work. On to Gunnarsson. And he motors on between the blue lines. Knocks it away with the stick. Linshow pings in their own end and on the move. They've got it. Gustafson's able to step out and play it. Gets a little drop off from the goalie here. Takes that pass at center ice. Linshow pings survived it. Back even.
There's really not been much to choose from here in the back half of this game. The teams are virtually identical. Killing this penalty, though, is something that they can perhaps grow upon. Maybe they can get a little energy from it.
A good stick there, so no complete pass. Hanging on to it up the wing. Take it to the slot. Score!
You get this close to the goaltender, the puck on your stick, you got to snap it quick.
Linshow pings, broken the tie here in the third period. Let's see what happens before time expires. And they've won the neutral zone faceoff. You win that, and you don't have to chase. They chase you. Play is stopped, and now we'll hear the call.
6 minutes, 29 seconds.
Linshow ping's 2-minute penalty is a minor, and the call is hooking.
The referees are looking for this. Anytime you stop skating and reach with your stick and pull on the opponent, you're going to the penalty box.
And the faceoff's won.
2 minutes.
So on this power play, they will resume from their own end of the ice.
59 seconds.
Gets across, looks over his options. What a strong wrist shot. Solid work there by Carlson. And the loose puck gathered in by Larson. The stick broke on the shot. Oh, and a broken stick.
A very frustrating play when that happens.
Sliced through the neutral zone. Linshow pings, done it. Back at full strength.
Well, that was a great chance to tie the game, and they weren't able to find the equalizer. So now the players coming off the ice are frustrated. The coaches are frustrated. And the guys that weren't on the power play are wondering, why wasn't I on that power play?
Hangs on to that one, and he'll see a face-off right near it.
Gustafson's able to make what turns out to be a relatively routine butterfly stop.
A little over halfway through the third. We had a tie game until just moments ago. It's a one-goal contest. And he's able to keep it in. Wonderful save. Puck covered, whistle blown. They win the draw. It's a point hammer shot. Gathered in by Roy. Wristed one. Oh, stick save. He covers and holds on.
I don't know if he's going to make a save much easier than that one. He's in good position. It's a rather routine stop.
him on that one. Loose puck, it went off one of the guys there. Blue line control. Decides to go back to his own end to try and get out. Lets it go. Save. Glides to the safety behind the net.
This game has been tightly contested the entire way. I can't see either team stretching this out at this point. A close finish is at hand.
And he steps in. Has it picked up. Takes it behind his own cage. Carries it toward the woodwork. Lets it go. Linköping starting back in their own end. Gets in, looks over his options here. And he's all alone. He's alone. Sticked away. Grab, great chance ahead. Shot, terrific save there. Didn't look like he had anything to shoot at, and he made it tough.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
And we get another penalty. The referee to the scorer's table.
Well, there's so much going on down there, Doc. It's really hard to tell what the referees might call. The power play is all about adjustments. They need to find a way to get more people and pucks to the net.
I agree entirely, Eddie. Let's see if they prove us right here.
2 minutes for hooking and 2 minutes for tripping. On the penalty. 18 minutes for
A long game, and the clock bleeds down to the final minute of regulation.
last minute of play in the third.
Linköping's up the wing, settling things. Denied by the defense. Puck loose. Fires a shot. A magnificent pad save. And he gains the zone. Nicely received at the point. Goalie to the bench. Extra attacker out. It's tipped. Wonderful save. What a skill level there.
Not a lot of room to score from in that area. Great save.
Net empty. Score!
That one should put the icing on the cake.
That's a good feeling on the bench. You've locked it up now with the empty netter.
They've got the draw.
Scored shorthanded by number 50.
Moved along and in.
Assisted by number
Johnson's at the bench. Extra man over the boards.
time of the goal.
Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. Lets a shot fly. He's got it, but can he shovel it out of there? And that's the end of the game. It was a great time. It is a calculated risk that you have to take in the sport of hockey. You may be trailing, but you've got a chance to at least tie it up by pulling your goalie.
When you do that, you have to get the goal scorers out on the ice, just not able to cash in with the extra attacker.
So ends another game and another telecast. We hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. For Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, Mike Emmerich saying good night.